Mr. Christian Arinasa. Okay, for the next one, Mr. Forlan Arinasa. Mr. Prince R. Nerva. Next, Mr. Rashon Kian Roy. Next, Mr. Uchi
Kadayan nih. Sodong na ada nih.
Mana tadi? Ang yang uya binikuan ang red.
Mr. Josh.
Ano na ako nila puho nilang daya nilang siya. Ikaw na tayo nanginip na abot ng lahat ng Christian. Isa? Pwede na balik ko yung baso. Ano ba ito nakadaan?
Next, Mr. Luis Abled. Next, Mr. Joel Rodani.
Lala ang Christian, kasi sayo na, naabot na nga lang Christian. Kasi pwede na. Kung masayo. Ang Forlan. Wala pa.
Mr. Christian Arinasa. Next, Mr. J. Nino Medran.
Sunod si Ate Diana sa
next, Mr. Ken Nathan Carvajal.
Jimmy, what? Nakasave yun. Ang mahal ng host eh. Nasabihin ako, pero sa akin mo yung mag-ibaw-taw na. Dali, ano ganito sila? Ang couple.
Power couple, no? Dahan kay role ni na, o pagkanisayo.
Hindi ko siya yun eh.
Iyan, dahan kay role ni na,
And
o
for our
pagkanisayo.
last 18 roses, may I call on Mr. Chris Ian Becerril.
I wanna know.
Ayaw, sabay.
Wow. Taring. Ala, kagak ko ano.
Ayaw, sabay.
Naku sa dala ay.
It would be to show me how you feel more than words is all you have to do to make it real. When you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already.
May we now invite all the 18 roses back to the front for a memorable group photo with their debutant. Let's give them a warm of applause, everybody.
Only words to show you feel that your love for me is real.
Abot na na sildo. Ay.
If I took,
Kuratan, magtatalian.
then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love
Okay, thank you to all our handsome 18 roses.
Talk to
Settle them for the day. Okay, for another meaningful tradition of tonight's celebration is the 18 candles. Each candle represents light, love, guidance, and heartfelt wishes for our dearest debutant as she begins a new journey into adulthood. As each candle bearer is called, please do come forward, share your heartfelt message for our debutant, and light your candle. Afterward, kindly remain beside her as we go on to the next candle bearer. So may I now call on Miss Daphne Tesoro.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, RJ, Rab. So, first, let me greet you in advance happy birthday. And before you can start ng message at mga wish ni mo, let me start just sa pinaka-start where atong friendship kay nag-begin. So, first, yun no, katong grade 9 ta. And, first day of class, first to mabalik sa face-to-face, and then before ti ka na kaila like, maawawon ko guys ha, maawawon ko. Then, naman si RJ kay, bisa, bago kami nagkaila no, kay, I don't know, pero nabi something nga, mag-click na mong duha, so, like, basta makauban ako siya kay mo, baga akong now, ala na siya. dili basta makauban ti ka magbubaga ako nga naman. So like on comfort ti ka, so compare ako ipakita akong side. So ato kanang I don't know pero like kana since nagkailan ta kay kana excited ko mo mo eskwela, motivated ko mo eskwela maging sa akong mga friends, especially ni RJ kay since siya jud akong pinaka first nga na friend diri sa Talangban. Ay po tayo isa po. So, grateful kay ko sino nagka-close ta, daghan na kay tag na share nga mga
Pwede naman po
sad moments, happy moments, dili siya break up ako na
Pwede na po.
and then akong wish sa nimo G nga unta ko padayon ka sa imong
Madugay na. Bills na bitaw.
imong goals in life, and if you ever feel like musuko ka ba, just remember anong nagsugod siya
Sayaw na lang.
especially sa imong ikuhang nga course,
Ihat.
and that's it G, happy birthday.
Kato na lang ko hawak ko ang
Thank you, Miss Daphne.
bills.
Please, Christine. May I call on Miss Kirsten Faith and Beloa?
Happy advance birthday. First, I really wanna thank you for inviting me. We've been friends since high school, and I'm really happy we became friends. One thing that I really admire about you, Jude, is the way you carry yourself. You handle things well, and grabe po yung enthusiasm. You light up the whole room, Jude, basta nakaka dito. Si Jude may katawa. And
Really?
you always give your best, and I think that's something I really admire about you. You deserve this milestone, and I hope college and adulthood treat you well. And unta ma-achieve nimo tanan imong goals. Stay the same kind, hardworking, and also being good vibes. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Kirsten. May I call on Miss Maria Chelis Hanino?
How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? Where we knew while we were getting high.
Happy 8th birthday, Rob. To start, I just want to say thank you for being my one call away friend. Like every time dili ko okay, honor ako ni mo. GR ako sa inyo. Tingnan na. Then dili rin ako siya patasok na kayo, air ba ko. G, I just want you to know na I'm so proud of you. I met you as a strong and independent woman. And I swear, proud kay ko ni mo na cute din ka sa imo attitude na gana. When you're struggling, you prefer to choose hang out with friends. Para dili ka masad alone. Then, makaanak ko nga, may pa siya, makaya nga na strong ka siya, makaya niya nga malingaw yung kaugalingon. Then, yes, I really admire how you handle things alone. Always remember you have something to run on when you feel tired, sad, and bored. Thank you so much for everything you've done to me, especially yung birthday na ko. Pero medyo ka naman surprise, wala yun yung absent, bisag separated na to pag senior high na to. On top, more years pa and surprises maabot. You're not just a friend of mine, kundi an inspiration of mine. Step, G, Robbie, step into adulthood with total confidence. Rob, you're smart, capable, and ready to conquer the world. May these milestones be the start of your biggest adventure, and may you never lose your beautiful spark. Stay what you are and keep shining. I love ya.
Thank you, Miss Maria. May I now call on Miss Priscilla May Enricoso?
Someday you will find me caught beneath the that's why. In a champagne super number in the sky.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, G. Oh, yun ang mistake. First of all, actually, bitaw, wala dyan ko kanta mo ka lang, like, message din na katapan dyan, pero from the heart ni, yung punto dyan din ako for you. First of all, guys, sa pag-con dyan ni siya ka nang, diligid mi mag-friends kit, tungkol ni RG, guys, since grade 9 is friends me, muto kaya ka nang, pag first na is, wala dyan ko naka-feel o ka nang, parang to ka nang, like, pag grade 9 na to ka, naman to sila yung mga circle of friends, sila na, dahil mo to kay, ka nang, true story sa niya mo to kay nagtapok-tapok sila niya. Ako to kay Mark na life out. Bito mo to. Tungod ni RG, tungod ni RG kay kanang kuan, kanang Mark. Mura bito ko like, na-feel na ko nga kanang part ko sa itong group. Pag, ang group ito kay like, nakitaan ko niya nga, lako sa kanang paan sa kilid na kanang kuan, kanang like, alone. Uy, ano ka, may lapot ka, di ba? Yeah, then, ito kay fast forward, pag wait na to, man, kanang like, happy ka nang nagka-develop pa na niyo, kanang like, nabuo na bitaw ang friendship. Like, wala ko na-expect na maapok tayo sa inaani. And then, kani siya, bracelet, mani ang ihatag ni RG na ako, pag waited. Mani siya, wala din ako siya kitang-tang. Then, if kung, kilap, kani siya nga bracelet is, if kung matanawan ko ni kay ma-remember na kung itong mga things ginibuhat ni RG na ako. Katungkuan mga good things nga iyang giganang like iyang kanang iyang gigawan ako ba nga the way siya muhatag og love sa ako. The way siya mo care sa ako and especially kanang one sad nasa yung mga times na kanang like what ko jud ni RG tanan kay like ako jud kay sa mga circle of friends kay ako jud ang pinakasikta ka parents. So to para makuyog lang isa mo ang naglaag is like what ko jud yan tanan para lang makakuyog ko like para siya yung ba dapat makuyog ka dapat dili ka ma-absent ani nga time dapat taa jud ani and then Jay, thank you for everything. Kanang ako malinga lang ni mo chike kanang officially like kanang like kanang 18 na jud ka din kanang konta kanang for birthday to come and then kanang basta kanang helping kanang mga was na din be good friends to us. Then concert kanang of course be pretty always be humble and again thank you for those things that you have do. Kanang bitang last na the birthday G.
Thank you, Ms. Priscilla. May I now call on Ms. Rachel Mitch-Villaber.
Wake up the dawn and ask her why. Dream a dream, she never dies. Wipe that tear away now from your eyes.
Hi, Jay. Ay, baka lang pressure ko eh. Walang good message. Kaya naingon na nila taman. Pero, ito, Jay. Thank you, kay seatmate kay Tasiki. Then, thank you, kay first time na ko nga mag-open up ka, ika na good. Walang ko ka experience of ika na good. Then, mga to, Jay. Happy birthday, advance. Mabon lang mo, kay sa ganito.
Thank you, Ms. Rachel. May I now please call on Ms. Charlene Mali.
So, hi everyone. So, hi RJ. Happy 18th birthday in advance. So,
Wala ko kayo maingon mo, hindi ka naman nila. So,
yeah, kabalo ko sa imong gi-agian this last week. And yeah, like, minun kay siya like kanang kaya niya murag masulog na din niya iyang problem. Kaya murag matanan mo siya ka-happy person din siya, no? Happy siya din. Wala ko kabalo ngayon. Nato na daw yung nagian, guys. Like, thankful ko nga ni-open siya na ko, anak. Kaya kanang like, grabe yun siya. Like, dili ka mag-expect na kana kay mabuhat na din na niya, na. no to kay na happy na kay ko nga na niagian na to niya wala siya nagpadala ato nga time. Then I wish G nga kanang magkaila pa ta kay magkuyog man jud ta karong first to fourth year. And more to hoping nga malipay ra ka ani nga day. And yeah.
Thank you, Miss Charlene. May now po on Miss Sophia at Valera.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love you and perfections that we pray God.
I say happy 18th birthday. So, finally naiwan na dyan ninyo. So, welcome to adulthood. I'm so happy to celebrate your birthday.
Ambot unsay patukang diyan. Ha? Okay ba unsay
So,
ipatukang?
I hope this new chapter brings you unforgettable memories and lots of success. Keep being kind and amazing person.
Anak na lang barang.
Tungan ganit niya.
Sigway rin makakuha na.
Thank you, Miss Sophia. May I now po on Miss Scarlett Saskan.
Swear to God that I love
Ikay peso sila.
Okay, so may proceed to Miss Lisha alias Simon.
Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful,
Kalubat ko na.
Hey, beautiful, beautiful.
Ready ba? So, advance
Where's your
happy
phone?
birthday are our joy.
Asa ka ng phone?
Continue to bring happiness to the people around you and never lose the genuine heart that makes you special. Hinumdum pa kapag birthday na ako. I'm very thankful na nagkaila ka mag first day sa UCP, then nagkabarkada na. And always remember na ando bro ko maminaw ni mo if na kay mga rants. I'm proud of everything you have become and the person you have accomplished. Wishing you all the happiness in the world are our joy. Happy birthday, advance.
Thank you, Miss Lisha. May I now po on Miss Duplicious Kate Vega.
Actions that we pray God. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just
Advance happy birthday, our joy. Who would thought we been from being strangers to sisters? Not by blood, by heart. I'm so grateful to have you in my life. I'll never forget the time you've been holding my up. It's still one of the funniest memories we have. Thank you for being such an amazing friend. As you turn 18, I hope this new chapter brings you happiness, success, and good health, and all the blessings you deserve. Stay kind, beautiful, and true to yourself. Love you always, my sisters, by heart. In your special day, advance happy birthday again, our joy.
Thank you, Miss Duplicious. May I go on Miss Auring Tagalog.
Excited.
Advance happy birthday. RJ. This candle represents my wishes for you as you celebrate this milestone in your heart, in your life. Sorry. My wish for you is to always stay healthy, stay emotionally you are, and of course have many more birthdays to come. I want you to know that I always be here for you through every high and low, ready to listen all your rants and chicas. Support you and cheer you on. I'm so proud of how strong, kind, and determined who you are, and I know you'll achieve all the dreams you've been working so hard for. As you begin this new chapter, and I hope you never stop believing in yourself, because you're capable and amazing. Again, advance happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy every moment of the exciting journey to adulthood. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Auring. May I go on Miss Princess Rihanna Ino. Okay, may I I call on Ms. Ricaela Nicole Cabayan.
Hi RJ, advance happy 18th birthday. I'm so grateful we've been friends ever since senior high school started. Joining that first circle with you made my high school journey a lot better. You've always been the joy in our group, the type of person who can take the most stressful situations handled in a fun way. Beyond all the laughs, I hope you know how appreciative, how kind, and how caring you are, not just to us, but to your families and friends. We love you as much as you love us, RJ. Happy advance happy 18th birthday.
Thank you, Mr. Gala. May I now call on Ms. Shinya Caesar.
Gisigiyan mo. Music na. Kamamutan mo. Ito correct na.
Advance happy 18th birthday, RJ. As you step into this new chapter of your life and embrace adulthood, I wish you nothing but happiness, strength, and success in everything you do. We may not have shared countless memories together, but I truly hope the moments we did share brought a smile to your face and made you whole in some way. May you continue to grow into the wonderful person or mentally. Always believe in yourself, chase your dreams, and enjoy every step
Hatag yan. Toyok.
of the journey ahead. Happy New Year,
Toyok.
and may your future be filled with love, laughter, and endless opportunity.
Sunod na lang.
Thank you. So now may I call on Ms. Kyra Kate Forzado.
TikTok mo, may talo niya. Ako may kaulan. Wala na lang, linya sa masakto. Palahisan ba?
Okay, so hello everyone, good evening. Happy, advance happy, advance happy birthday, RJ. So, nagkailan ni RJ sa store, eh, wala dyan ko ka-expect na siya, di ay ang akong makauban gato ko nga mapalit siya. And all I can say is that I'm really happy. Okay, this year, wala ko ka-expect ng kailan ka. I would like to say thank you for the proud parents for raising a beautiful soul. Yeah. And asar dito ako maingan nimo nga if mag-iisip ka, na tayo mga problema, I'm your ate, right? So you can lean on me, you can cry on me, you can come with me kung laay ka. Happy birthday, my RJ. I love you.
Thank you, Ms. Kyra. May I call on Ms. Angel Del Sol.
Happy birthday, Jay. Gayun ni RJ kay tungkol sa pista sa Bakayan eh. Birthday sa ito na ako. Then, ginana ko muli ato kay kanang ginana ko kanang sugat sa akong birthday ba ang pista sa Bakayan. Then, wala ko kabalo na i-surprise ko kanang itlog. Basta Jay, happy birthday Jay niya. Kato sa day, gato ka sa mukha, may gabi na may ito niya. Nagkuhan ka ito na. Hindi na. Basta Jay, thank you kay Jay kay ito na sa iyo problem, kaya ka na mo. Comfortable na kayo ka naman Jay niya. Remember Jay nga, inhale, exhale, everything.
Thank you for that, Ms. Angel. Can I call on Ms. Alexa May Imal?
Ayuha, gina niya ito ang TikToker. Pwede na mo ang sideline.
Happy birthday, RJ. Honestly, I don't have a lot of things to say, but I just want to express how grateful I am to meet someone as genuine and warm as you. You are one of the people that I can rely on, and a shoulder that I can cry on. You've already known almost half of my story, yet I never felt like I am judged by you. And you always make me feel like everything that I felt is valid. You've heard me cry over my family, life pressure, and the boy. I didn't even say a bad thing about it. Our simple late night hangout heals me in its own way. And I am grateful to have a friendship that is built with laughter and tears. And I can truly say that no matter in real life, you will fit easily with your pure and your warm character, and your kindness will to the people that have genuine intentions towards you. May God bless you to the things that you deserve, and adulthood will give you the lessons that will build you to the better version of yourself. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you for that, Miss Alexa. Okay, can I call on Miss Jasmine as the
Gusto ko Taji, advance happy birthday. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for being my friend. And first na to kayo nung susunod dyan is Angel. Ako tayo, mota na ako speech. First na to kayo na is atong pagbista sa batayan niya. Ako kahadlo ka na ba dyan ikinong left out ko ba? So, gispan ko lang inday. Nakoy ka lang Arjun, ako kailanin mo. Ang expectation na to kayo, like, ma-left out, nila ko yung matanggal, pero mali akong feeling ko, expect you. Instead, like, imong ipa-feel na ko nga part ko sa imong, part ko sa imong amiga, like, itagad ko yung as your close friend, like, mo to, nagdugay itong, I dili pa kayo dugay, pero I hope magdugay. Sa paman, harap na storya. Marco, thank you so much for being my friend. Happy birthday.
Thank you for the wonderful message, Ms. Jasmine. And may I request all the candle bearers to be up here in front. Now all that the candles have been lit and all wishes have been shared, may I request all our candle bearers to gather around our debutant as we capture this beautiful moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm of applause as our debutant makes her wish and blows out the candle. A round of applause, everybody.
I'm sorry for the way that I felt all the heart that I got. You were the
Happy birthday, Rubinia! Round of applause, everybody. You're just so lucky to have all these girls beside you. So for Victoria, guys. Thank you, lovely ladies, for the heartfelt message to our dearest. Okay, so before we proceed to dinner, because I know you guys are very hungry, we have prepared something very special. Although her beloved parents cannot be physically present tonight, distance can never diminish their love, guidance, and heartfelt wishes. They have prepared a special video message to celebrate this unforgettable moment. So at this moment, please direct your attention to the screen in front of you as we play the message of the parents of Ruby.
All my life was set.
Yes! Oh. Pero, di mo manubag.
Enjoy your party, and I'm sorry I couldn't make it. I may not be there, but I'm always thinking of you, and keep in mind that whatever I'm doing right now is para sa iyo pa. And now that you're 18, whatever decisions you make, it will affect your future. So be wise. Always be grateful, always be content, and see the brighter side. And like I've always said, I'm so proud of you. Dream high, I love you, and happy birthday.
Have a fantastic birthday, RJ. Happy 18th birthday. I'm really sorry I can't be there, but I'm 6,000 miles away. And I wish I was with you guys in the Philippines celebrating your birthday. But listen, have a great birthday, don't drink too much, and I will speak to you soon. I miss you guys. Happy birthday, RJ. Have a
happy 18th birthday, Indira. Wish you all the best in life, Inday. Hope kabot na mo yung mga dreams for the future nimo. Study first. Don't trust everything, Inday. Ayaw pasagdi mong kagalingon. Love yourself. Just enjoy life while matanon pa. You can always pray to God na playos mga disgrasya, playos mga sakit, sa mga bati na kuwan, trabaho ko, sa buutan ka pagkabata, and na insay kuwanin mo for the future yung kuwan ko, anong kasang future, sa kuwan, hirap, sana kayo, wako diha sa inyong 18th birthday, sorry kayo, sabot ka, always, bago, kasabot ka tanan, sama ng sitwasyon. Plenty stories to tell you. Sunday lang. Plenty story. Send your chat, messenger, send your reels, see you.
Oh, yung paghihilak, ma'am.
Kayo. Now you're a young, beautiful lady. About sa love life mo, kailan ako yung boyfriend or love sa iyong man. Don't trust everything lang. Just study first, enjoy, have an inspiration with him. grow each other for your future sa inyong duha. Nara, and enjoy. Life is not short and enjoy what's still young. Amen. You know how much I love you, Daddy. Rowan. Dagan ba ang storya mo? Dagan ba ang story mo? Oh, nag-shy. Shy. Love you so much. Enjoy your day. Hindi rap. Now, daga na ka. But,
Pahilan ko sa kanggi. Apilan pa stokar ng giyan.
Sa imong mga kailangan po advice. Bisa 18 na ka. Kwan.
Thank you to the parents for giving the effort to give Romania the message. To our dear debutant, may the love and words of your parents always remind you that no matter how far they may be, they are always with you in heart and spirit. Let's give them a warm applause to everybody. So before we enjoy tonight's dinner, let us first come together and celebrate the 18th birthday of our beautiful debutant. May I request everyone to join us in singing the birthday song. Please stand up, everybody.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy 18th birthday, our dearest Rob. May your heart always be filled with joy, your dreams turn into reality, and may God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and success. So before we partake in tonight's meal, may you please remain standing for the blessing of the food, and may I call on Mrs. Susan Tantoy to lead us in prayer.
It's your new. Pasiplat.
Atong tanan, atong kuan na atong kagalingon anak sa atong pagkaon.